Honour to be here at your show and be able to present you with this iconic MOBO Awards trophy. Now, there you go, have a look.
Oh my God.
Now, as with, this is a handmade trophy,
Yes.
and no two journeys are the same.
Yes.
So it kind of represents being bold, unapologetic, and truly one of a kind. So it's symbolic, it's representing creativity, kind of your lasting impact and culture. And may you go on and stay and be blessed, really.
Thank you very much.
So congratulations. And there it is, MOBO Impact Award, if you can see it there.
You see it? This is the MOBO Impact Award. When you believe in a God and work hard, you will reap big reward.
Well deserved.
Yes, you know what I say? Thank you very much.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Thank you. And you see this? This is significant to me because the speech that I gave when I was at the MOBO Awards, we talk about forgiveness, we talk about faith, perseverance, and we talk about change. So this means a lot, Thank you, man. Trust me. God is the greatest. Never forget that.
Well deserved. Big round of applause.
This is amazing. I'm going to be sweaty.
Listen, you deserve